Welcome to JH. Today, I am going to guide you through a comprehensive, step-by-step tutorial on how to navigate and utilize BambooHR. Whether you are a complete beginner or simply looking for a quick refresher on the platform's latest features, you have come to the right place to learn. Let us dive right in. To start, if you have not yet registered for the service, you will need to set up a new BambooHR account. On the main landing page, you will see a prominent button in the upper right-hand corner labeled Try Free. If you already possess an active account, feel free to jump ahead to the section where we explore the specific tools and features. However, for those of you starting from scratch, here is the process for getting set up. Once you have arrived at the homepage, go ahead and select the Try Free option. This action will transport you directly to the registration screen where you can begin the sign-up process. The entire procedure is quite simple and user-friendly, and within just a few moments, you will be ready to start exploring everything the platform has to offer. Let us go through the specific registration steps together. Initially, you will be asked to provide some fundamental contact information, including your first name, last name, professional work email, and a valid phone number. It is important to enter these details accurately. We highly recommend using a dedicated work email address, as this ensures that all platform updates, security alerts, and essential account notifications are sent to the correct place. Keeping these professional communications separate from your personal inbox is a great way to stay organized and save time in the long run. After providing your contact info, the system will prompt you to enter your company's name. You can use any name that accurately represents your current business or personal brand. If you are just starting a new venture, do not worry about finding the perfect name immediately. Just enter what feels appropriate for now. Following this, you will need to indicate your company's size. For instance, if you are managing a small startup, you might select the 1 to 10 employees bracket. Choose the option that most accurately reflects your current organizational structure. Next, the platform will ask you to confirm your country of operation. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select the United Kingdom, but you should choose the specific country where your business is based. This geographical information is used to customize certain features of the platform to your specific region, which is particularly helpful for staying compliant with local regulations or accessing regional services. Once these details are finalized, click the Next button to move forward. This step is vital because it helps the platform understand your specific business context, allowing it to provide more tailored tools and support. Before you can proceed further, you must review and accept the terms and conditions. It is always a wise practice to read through these policies so that you are fully aware of the platform's rules and guidelines. Once accepted, the next phase involves setting up your unique domain. This will serve as your personalized BambooHR web address that you and your entire team will use to log in and manage your HR tasks. This branded space makes it easy to access your company's tools from any location. Try to pick a domain name that is simple, professional, and easy for your employees to remember. Now it is time to establish a secure password for your account. BambooHR maintains specific security standards to ensure your data remains protected. Your chosen password must be at least 8 characters long and must include a combination of at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and at least 1 numerical digit. For this example, I will use a placeholder password like 123, but you should definitely create something much stronger for your actual account. After you have entered and confirmed your password, click the Create Account button. The system will then begin the automated setup process, which typically only takes a few seconds to complete. You will see a brief loading animation, and then your account will be fully operational. Once the setup is finished, you will be prompted to log in using your new credentials. Simply enter your registered email and the password you just defined, and you will gain access to the system. At this point, BambooHR will present a few additional questions to further personalize the interface for your company. You will see options for managing new hires, configuring payroll, monitoring employee performance, or handling time-off requests. Selecting these options helps the software configure its dashboard to highlight the tools most relevant to your specific business goals. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at the BambooHR dashboard, which serves as the primary hub for all your administrative activities. Right away, the home screen provides a high-level snapshot of everything happening within your organization. Think of it as a digital bulletin board that keeps you informed in real time. For example, you will see company-wide announcements regarding upcoming meetings or special events. There is also a dedicated section for feedback requests, where employees can ask for peer evaluations or supervisor input. Additionally, you will find an out-of-office section that displays who is currently on leave or out sick, along with a personal counter showing how many vacation or sick days you have remaining. This layout is specifically designed to help you stay on top of essential daily details. On the right side of the screen, you will find a celebrations area that highlights important milestones like birthdays and work anniversaries, making it easy to send a quick congratulatory message. If your company utilizes the benefits tracking tool, you will also see a summary of your health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks right there on the dashboard. Let us now explore the My Information section in more detail. This area functions as your personal digital HR file, housing all the professional and personal data relevant to your employment. It is incredibly helpful to have all this information centralized in one spot. You can view details about your specific role, such as your official title, your original hire date, and your current employment status, whether that is full-time or part-time. You can also see your pay schedule, whether you are compensated on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. Furthermore, there is a comprehensive tool for tracking your time off. Here, you can verify your current vacation balance, see how many sick days you have left, and even submit new time off requests directly through the interface. If you ever need to check when you are eligible for your next holiday, all the data is right at your fingertips. The Documents tab is another essential feature, storing your employment contract, earned certifications, performance reviews, and any other necessary paperwork. Having these files stored digitally in BambooHR is a massive time saver, as it eliminates the need to search through physical folders or old email threads. Everything is organized, secure, and accessible from anywhere at any time. Now that we have reviewed personal information, let us discuss how to add new team members to the system. This is a critical task for administrators and HR managers. Start by navigating to the People tab. From this screen, you can add employees individually to keep your records current. Click on the New Employee button and begin filling in their specific details. First, assign them a unique employee number, which is vital for organized record keeping. Enter their first and last name, along with any preferred nicknames they might use. It is also important to input their date of birth and gender for benefits and legal compliance. Next, record their official hire date, which the system uses to track tenure and benefits eligibility. If you are operating in the United States, you can add their social security number, along with their home address and contact information to ensure clear communication. After the basics are covered, you must set their employment status, choosing between full-time, part-time, or contractor roles. This selection is crucial for accurate payroll and benefits administration. Next, you will define their job title, for example, project coordinator, and identify who they will report to. Establishing this hierarchy is essential for maintaining clear communication lines within the organization. You can also assign the new hire to a specific department, such as sales, marketing, IT, or customer service, depending on how your company is structured. Finally, you will need to input their compensation details. This includes their pay rate, whether they are hourly or salaried, and any other relevant information like commission structures or bonus eligibility. Ensuring these details are accurate is vital for employee satisfaction and smooth payroll cycles. Once you have double-checked all the entries, hit Save. The new employee will then be added to the system and will receive an automated email invitation to complete their digital onboarding paperwork. This makes the transition smooth for both the manager and the new hire. You can always return to the People tab to see a full list of everyone in the organization. Clicking on any name will open their full profile, where you can edit information, view their time off history, or check their performance reviews. Let us talk about the process for requesting time off, as this is something every employee will use. To start a request, go to the My Information section and look for the Request Time Off button. When clicked, a calendar interface will appear, allowing you to select your desired dates visually. This view is helpful because it shows your available time and helps you avoid scheduling conflicts during busy periods. After picking your dates, you must select a reason for the absence, such as vacation, sick leave, or a personal day. If you have specific notes for your manager, such as emergency contact info or travel plans, you can add those in the comments box. Once you submit the request, it is sent to your supervisor or HR department for review. They will receive a notification and can approve or deny the request based on team coverage and deadlines. Once a decision is made, you will receive a confirmation alert, and your upcoming time off will be visible in your schedule. The system automatically tracks your remaining balance, making it easy to plan future trips or rest days. This transparency fosters a more communicative and organized workplace. BambooHR also features a robust hiring tool designed to simplify recruitment. To post a new position, go to the Hiring tab and select Job Opening. The setup wizard will guide you through entering the job title, the relevant department, and the employment type. You can also specify the required experience level, ranging from entry-level for new graduates to senior level for industry experts. The job description is your chance to attract top talent, so be sure to highlight key responsibilities and unique company perks like flexible hours or professional development opportunities. You can even add custom application questions to gather specific info, like a LinkedIn profile or a portfolio link, before you even look at a resume. Once the posting is live, BambooHR allows you to share it directly to major job boards like Glassdoor, Indeed, and LinkedIn with just a few clicks. As applications roll in, you can track every candidate within the platform, review their qualifications, schedule interviews, and even send out official offer letters. This consolidation saves time and ensures a more organized hiring experience for everyone involved. The platform's reporting features are another major advantage for managers. In the Reports section, you will find a variety of standard templates ready to use, such as headcount reports, turnover metrics, and employee birthday lists. These provide quick insights into your workforce. However, you can also build custom reports tailored to your specific needs. For instance, you could generate a report showing how many employees took leave during a specific quarter or create a demographic breakdown to support diversity and inclusion initiatives. All of these reports can be exported as Excel or PDF files, making it easy to share data with leadership or present findings during meetings. By leveraging these tools, you can turn raw data into actionable insights that help drive the company forward. Instead of manually compiling spreadsheets, you can pull the information you need in seconds, allowing you to focus on more strategic HR tasks like talent development and employee engagement. Finally, let us look at this Settings menu, where administrators can truly customize the platform. Here, you can manage user access levels to ensure that employees only see the information appropriate for their roles. For example, you might give managers access to their team's data while keeping regular employees restricted to their own personal files. You can also create custom fields to track industry-specific information, such as professional licenses or software certifications. If your company needs to monitor work hours more closely, you can activate the time tracking feature, which enables digital timesheets and clock-in functionality. In the Benefits section, you can add new insurance plans by entering the provider name, coverage amounts, and employee costs. Once added, these options appear in the employee self-service portal, allowing staff to review their benefits and make informed decisions without needing to contact HR for every detail. This self-service model empowers your workforce and reduces the administrative load on your HR team. By fully utilizing these settings, you can create a tailored HR experience that perfectly aligns with your company's unique culture and operational needs. This concludes our deep dive into BambooHR, a powerful tool designed to centralize and simplify all your human resources functions.